this video, we cover the following topics. A household fork might not be the first tool you associate with watercolor, but its unique structure offers artists a chance to introduce distinctive textures and patterns into their work. A fork is an excellent mark-making tool that can be scraped across the surface of the paper while dry or wet. By dipping the prongs of a fork into watercolor paint and then dragging, pressing, or tapping them across the paper, artists can create a series of parallel lines or intriguing mark-making effects. This technique can be particularly effective for depicting natural textures, such as fur, grass, or the ripples of water. Using a fork with watercolor is an unconventional but highly effective method for creating bold textures and patterns. By dragging, scraping, or pressing the tines of a fork into wet or damp watercolor, artists can produce unique marks that mimic natural textures like grasses, tree bark, or abstract designs. To use a fork with watercolor, begin by applying a wash of paint to your paper. While the paint is still wet or damp, gently drag the tines of the fork across the surface, creating lines and grooves as the pigment pools around the marks. Alternatively, press the fork into the paper for dotted or stippled effects, or use the edge of the tines to scrape away pigment, revealing lighter areas. The amount of pressure and the direction of the strokes will influence the final effect, so experiment with different approaches to achieve your desired result. Forks are readily available and easy to handle, making this technique accessible for artists of all levels. It encourages creativity and experimentation, offering a way to introduce unexpected textures and effects into your work. When using a fork, be gentle to avoid damaging the paper, especially if working on lighter weight or less durable surfaces. Heavier watercolor papers are better suited for this technique, as they can withstand the scraping and pressing without tearing. Clean the fork between uses to prevent unwanted mixing of colors. Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor, contains over 200 video lessons inside of the book. This enables you to watch, learn, and practice at your own pace. The book includes how to create 2 flip books and a palette card. Together, we explore and test watercolor paint properties. This innovative and practical method of teaching helps you learn watercolor one step at a time, and it covers everything you need to know to be successful with watercolor. My technique-focused method combined with a mix-and-match approach helps watercolorists at any stage of the painting journey improve their ability to paint subjects of their choice. The Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide covers virtually all the gear a watercolorist needs to begin a lifelong journey of watercolor painting and includes recommendations for gear like equipment, materials, supplies, tools, mixed media, and more. This free guide accompanies the book, Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.